Tensions in the Senate, the House prosecution panel continues to prepare for the upcoming impeachment trial of VP Sara. This includes the mock trials and the marking of evidence and witnesses in line with the pre-trial conference set on Thursday, June 18. The first batch of House private prosecutors have also been named, and more are expected to come in the next few days. For ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino, however, it is also clear that the factions in the Senate have delayed proceedings and all are for politics.
Sa dalawang paksyon ngayon sa Senado, malinaw na wala sila talagang tunay na interes na imbestigahan ng buo at comprehensively yung issue ng flood control. No, sa halip ay ginagamit ng magkabilang panig ang issue ng flood control para siraan ng isa't isa at isulong ang mga makariling interes ng bawat paksyon at protektahan ang kanilang mga kampi.
In the middle of continuous debates as to who shall be considered as the leader of the upper chamber, Makabayan calls for more than just the impeachment and better governance. That the 20th Congress focus on responsiveness, especially as there are still adverse effects brought by the oil crisis and the recently earthquake-struck southern Mindanao.
Alam natin na hindi sapat. Kailangan ng permanente, ligtas at disaster resilient na evacuation centers. Hindi din dapat paulit-ulit na ginagamit yung mga paaralan, lalo-lalo na nag-school opening na.
Partikular ay nananawagan tayo as Department of Education na magbigay ang kanilang central office na magbigay ng update sa Kongreso sa extent ng damage sa mga schools.
Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.